Hello there. Today we are going to see the evolution of Toyota's most famous car, Prius. So let's get started. The first generation of Prius was in production from 1997 to 2003. Second generation Prius was in production from 2003 to 2009. Third generation Prius was in production from 2009 to 2015. Fourth generation Prius was unveiled in 2015, until now in production.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and to watch more interesting videos like this, please subscribe and press the bell icon.